Hello everyone. This is Rajesh. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is okay. If you want to learn C and Java languages, please subscribe my channel. Okay. Today's session 2. Today's topic is rules for constructing C program. Today's topic is rules for constructing C program. Okay. In the first step, in that first step, every instruction every instruction should be given in the form of a statement. Every instruction should be given in the form of a statement. Therefore, statement terminates with therefore C program contains minimum one statement. Every instruction should be given in the form of a statement. Therefore, C program consists minimum one statement. That means we call C program contains number of statements. Every statement, second point, every statement is terminated with semicolon or ends with semicolon. Every statement should be terminate. Every statement should be terminated by semicolon. Means at the means at the end of statement. Okay, every statement should be terminated by semicolon. Third point, all the statements should be written in lowercase. All the statements should be written in lower case, means small letters. All the statements should be written in small letters. To write Java program, it changes. The statement should be arranged in sequence order, then the arranged in order, then the output is printed in the same order. The statement should be arranged in order, then the output would be print in the same order. Okay, third point, all the statements should be written in the lowercase. Fourth point, the statement should be arranged in order, then the output would print in same order. Okay, next heading, input output functions in C. Input output functions in C. Okay, printf. Printf. First point, printf. Input output functions in C. First point, printf. Printf. This function is used to display output data on console. This printf function is used to display data on console. Example. Printf. We should use in the double quotes Java. Then the output would be printed with double quotes or without double quotes. Output is printed without double quotes. Java. To print any data, we should use in the double quotes. Example, second example, printf double quotes 123 ABC. Output, what is the output? 123 ABC. Okay, please like, share, subscribe my channel for C Java videos. Okay, you get latest updates. Thank you very much.